Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this short video tutorial I'm here to show you a simple way how to freeze cells in Excel. Freezing rows and columns in Excel can be incredibly helpful, especially when dealing with larger tables of data. Let's take a look at an example. If you scroll down or across the spreadsheet, you may notice the header, in this case months, and the columns with the employees' names disappears. This makes it hard to keep track of the data. To make it easier to read, you can use the Freeze Panes function. First, click on the cell which marks the row and columns that you want to freeze. Here we are freezing the first row and the first column, so we will click on cell B2. After we've marked the cell, click on the tab View. Then go to the section Window and select Freeze Panes. This will lock the header with the months and the columns with the employees' names in their position on the screen. To undo the formatting changes, go back to the View tab and in the section Window, select the option Unfreeze Panes. This will remove the formatting changes and unlock the rows and columns so they disappear when you scroll down or across to the right. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Watch more videos that help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.